Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely on the side and then take the remaining hair and pull it inside out very nicely and gently. Now take the remaining hairs and then start making the braids by taking the smaller sections from both the sides. Now keep doing it and then make it and attach it nicely and it's all done. For the next one, take the front section of your hair and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now keep taking the smaller sections and then keep attaching it with the help of the elastic. Now take the remaining hairs and make a bun out of it as shown in the video by pulling it inside out and then roll it up together and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then divide your hairs into two sections. Now pull it inside out from the first part and then take the remaining hairs and make two braids out of it and then attach it all together with the help of the elastic only and then do it as shown in the video and then it's all done. It's cute, right? For this one, take your hairs and then roll your hairs very nicely and start wrapping it into the bun as shown in the video. With the help of your fingers, fix it very properly and nicely and then spread the remaining hairs as shown in the video and attach it properly and it's all done. For this one, tie your hairs on the side with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. Now take another section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now repeat the process as shown in the video and it will be looking like this and it's all done. Accessorize it. For the next one, tie your hairs into the ponytail and then make half bun out of it. Now take the remaining hairs and comb it properly and tie it with the help of the elastic as shown in the video and then fix it properly with the help of a hair clip as shown and it's all done. For the next one, tie your hairs from the front side and then pull it inside out by taking the smaller sections from the remaining hairs. Now keep doing it and then repeat the exact same process until it will start looking like this. Once you are complete with the whole process and it comes to the end, take the remaining hairs and make a braids out of it and then attach the braids till the end and then accessorize it. For the next one, take the section of your hair and make a knot out of it and tie it with the help of the elastic. Now again, take the smaller section out of it and then pull it inside out as shown in the video. Now take the strings and then make a knot out of it and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now again, take the section of your hair and then pull it inside out and make a knot out of it and then tie it nicely and it's all done. Thanks for watching.